Hi, I'm Bob Alsop with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Routerbob. ShopSabre is an American-made innovator of CNC technology, and today we're going to prove it. We are making this video because some of our competitors have been blatantly misrepresenting our company, whether it be Chinese sourcing of parts or utilization of low-quality components. You have a right to know the truth. ShopSabre was founded by Jim Bombardo 20 years ago in Minnesota. In order to meet the increasing demand for high-quality American-made products, ShopSabre recently upgraded its infrastructure in Lakeville, Minnesota. We now operate in a 100,000 square foot facility where we continue to manufacture ShopSabre CNCs from start to finish. Our CNC consultants are very knowledgeable on CNC applications with a variety of materials and technology. ShopSabre has the internal resources to fully understand and configure the correct solution for your CNC needs and expectations so you can buy your second machine the first time. Also, don't be surprised if during the competitive analysis stage, we share information with you that you may not have learned from the competition. One of the secrets to ShopSabre success is our engineering capability. Unlike our competition, our engineers develop and design in-house by using the latest computer-generated modeling and testing software to assure each machine is optimally designed through FEA technology to handle the workloads required for your application. Once you've decided on the ShopSabre that fits your need, we go into the fabrication and milling stages here in Minnesota, where our experienced fabricators begin the fabrication process on your CNC frame. Using the latest in CNC milling, welding, and calibration technology, ShopSabre frames are the most precise, durable, and dependable in the industry. While many of our competitors buy their frames from low-quality importers, ShopSabre understands, like a home, the foundation sets a precedence for the machine's long-term performance. Each ShopSabre frame, once fabricated, goes to our in-house paint department, where we use the best industrial-grade painting equipment to provide a high-quality protective finish that remains durable throughout the machine's life. ShopSabre machines are not only more precise than our competition, they're electrically more stable due to our in-house electrical department, where we construct and assemble our electrical panels and construct our wiring harnesses using continuous flex robotic wiring to ensure your machine maintains the highest level of communication performance. Many lower quality machines use generic wiring, off-the-shelf connectors, or store-bought assemblies. Unlike many competitors who simply assemble the prefabricated machines, our ShopSabre machine's final assembly is handled by our experienced assemblers who take great pride and care in fit and finish of your ShopSabre CNC plasma router system. Once assembled, your machine will go through a series of final tests where our team verifies fit, finish, and operation using laser calibration technology, because you cannot have a precise machine without using precise tools. No machine gets moved to our shipping department until the signatures of our quality control inspection team have been given. Once testing's been completed, each machine goes through final detailing and preparation for a safe delivery. Your machine arrives fully assembled, ready for a quick and effortless installation. Now that you've received the best machine on the market, you'll also receive industry-recognized service and support direct from our factory technical team, including free lifetime phone, email, and remote diagnostic services for as long as you own your ShopSabre CNC. Many companies can't provide the level of support we do because they don't truly engineer, fabricate, or build their machines. We even offer an online user group and training section known as Sabre Nation, where you can talk with other customers, receive tips and tricks, and unlock the full potential of your ShopSabre. Now, we recognize that every ShopSabre sold can only be as good as the operator. That's why we include free training for life in our CNC factory training courses, where you'll get hands-on training on both software and machine operation. Building the best machines makes it easier to provide for the best support. Nobody will provide you more than ShopSabre. Unlike many of our competitors, we stock components on site in our parts department, where most parts ship out the same day to keep your business running smooth and efficiently with minimal downtime. At ShopSabre, you won't be stuck with a discontinued or non-serviceable machine because an overseas supplier changed the design. Here at ShopSabre, we provide you a one-stop solution from start to finish. This is what American-made looks like. ShopSabre has through the years partnered with companies that share our same Made in America philosophy. One of those companies is Microsystems World CNC, the producer of the WinCNC control platform that ShopSabre has used for over 20 years. In fact, here's Kelly Davis, the owner and long-term partner with ShopSabre.
Just like ShopSabre, our products are and have always been made in the USA. In 2001, we began working together to develop the world's best CNC machine and control system right here in America. For over 20 years, we've worked together towards that goal with great success. The development and progression of WinCNC has always been based on feedback from our end users and OEM clients like ShopSabre.
There is a huge advantage for ShopSabre to work with USA-based vendors, especially over a long period of time. It allows us to jointly work on projects that benefit both ShopSabre and WinCNC, for example, and create capabilities that would be impossible to duplicate any other way.
WinCNC software development and hardware assembly has always been done in the US, and it always will. We write our own software and device drivers and assemble our own circuit boards in our workshop in West Virginia. We do circuit board assembly using a combination of hand soldering and pick and place technology. There are many benefits. We have short lead times. It allows us to be very innovative, and we do same-day product testing and repair.
This has given ShopSabre the advantage of being able to develop specific customer-based features. A good example of this was the development of our ShopSabre control user interface that simplified the role of the machine operator. Another supplier that ShopSabre has partnered with long-term is Mitsubishi Electric. As ShopSabre's needs have changed, Mitsubishi has been a strong partner, able to meet our evolving requirements. Scott Strachey, the product manager for CNC with Mitsubishi, has been instrumental in this relationship.
Mitsubishi started its relationship with ShopSabre back in the late 90s. The owner, Jim Bombardo, already had a CNC controller, but needed to have better servos for accuracy and high speed on his machines. So he worked with Mitsubishi, and Mitsubishi supplied him with our general purpose servo line of analog servos for their machine. All of our motors are now 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000 RPM for speed, and accuracy with the glass scale encoders up to 16 million pulses gives ShopSabre the real need and essentials that they need for their machine to be able to be high speed and high accuracy in the marketplace today.
An exciting part of our relationship with Mitsubishi Electric happened when ShopSabre decided to source a more sophisticated machine control. When this project started, ShopSabre looked at all the major control platforms available, and the M80 outperformed every machine control platform tested. The rest is history. ShopSabre was even able to port their industry-famous user interface into the M80 controller while maintaining a high level of quality by sourcing Japanese manufactured components.
Our home office is in Nagoya, Japan, and all of our products for North America do come from our 3 facilities within Japan: Himeji, Fukuyama, and Nagoya. As the relationship with ShopSabre and Mitsubishi has evolved, as Mitsubishi's products, as always, are on the leading edge of technology, we've offered those products to ShopSabre, and ShopSabre has adapted those technologies into their machines. Starting with their machines 20 years ago, which were just general purpose servos, all the way up to the ISM machine, which is the first CNC router in the world to have a Mitsubishi M80 control on it. With the introduction of the ISM series machine from ShopSabre, a few things that they were looking at being able to do is have one complete vendor, 2, a complete electrical system, control, servo amplifiers, and motors. But the main important thing that we were able to help ShopSabre with is they already had a user-friendly interface with their previous CNC controls. With the help of ShopSabre engineers and Mitsubishi engineers, we were able to help ShopSabre take their already user interface that they were using and implement it into the M80 control. So whether you had an older machine or a newer machine, custom front end was already there and the user interface was there that the customer was used to seeing.
I hope this video dispels some of the untruths that were being spread by some of our competitors in the industry. We took you through our new facility in Lakeville, Minnesota to prove our American-made status and to once and for all expose our competitors' dishonesty. ShopSabre has always been an American machine manufacturer and will always continue to be. We have also maintained long-term relationships with reputable companies that share our values. We even introduced you to a couple of our supply chain partners so you could hear it in their own words. Since the beginning, ShopSabre has always been transparent on how we do things. If you have any questions, please contact us. That's what we're here for. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for supporting American manufacturing.